What this means in plain terms is get your customers to pay for all of your marketing and your acquisition costs. And so what that means is if you can plug into the universe's money, not your own money, but you plug into the money of the universe, you can pretty much cash flow anything you need because you can make more money getting someone to enter your world than it costs you to get them there. And if that is your case, and you still have all the lifetime value that you're going to collect, but if you can do that in the first 30 days and you can pay the cost of fulfillment and still have money left over, then you have what is called a negative acquisition cost, right? It means that you make money getting customers.
Want to escape the 9-to-5 by 2027? I'll show you 5 cash flow businesses to start now and scale to $60,000 a year, replacing your job income. Cody Sanchez says, cash flow is freedom. Build businesses that pay you every month. Let's get started today. Take inspiration from Robert Kiyosaki, who built a cash flow empire worth $80 million by focusing on income-generating assets. With Rich Dad, Poor Dad, launched in 1997, Kiyosaki taught millions to prioritize cash flow over a paycheck, using businesses and investments to escape the 9-to-5. By 2025, his empire includes books, courses, and real estate, generating millions annually in passive income. His key lesson? Build cash flow businesses to replace your job, creating true financial freedom. First, let's save $10,000 in 12 months to fund your cash flow business. With a $48,000 salary and no rent, use a 70-20-10 budget. 70% to savings, that's $26,880, 20% to essentials, $7,680, and 10% to learning, $3,840. That's $2,240 a month to savings, $26,880 in 12 months. After taxes, you'll hit $10,000 by May 2026, giving you the capital to start your business. Grant Cardone says, 10x your savings discipline. Track spending with YNAB, an online budgeting tool. Cut costs like subscriptions or eating out, and stay focused on your goal. Business 1. Print on demand store. Sell custom apparel using Printful, costing $5,000 for inventory, marketing, and setup. Sell 100 shirts a month at $15 profit each, generating $1,500 a month in year 1. Damon John says, apparel builds cash flow. Use print on demand to create steady income with low risk. Ready to escape the 9-to-5 with cash flow businesses? Smash that like button and subscribe to Nova Society Finance. Let's build your financial freedom together. Business 2, drop shipping business. Source trending products via Oberlo and sell on Shopify, costing $8,000 for setup, sourcing, and marketing. Sell 100 products a month at $30 profit each, generating $3,000 a month in year 1. Alex Hormozy says scale fast with drop shipping, use low-risk models to build cash flow, and escape the 9-to-5.
I don't care what your business is, men, women, you have to understand that you're going into a huge lifestyle change. And I tell people it's not for everybody. Don't do it if you don't have the stamina to get kicked around and driven into the ground and get up and do it again and beaten up by people that tell you, this is not kumbaya stuff, this is hardcore stuff.
Business 3, online course creation. Create and sell courses on Teachable in your niche, costing $6,000 for setup, content creation, and ads. Sell 50 courses a month at $30 each, generating $1,500 a month in year 1. Jim Rohn says, teaching builds wealth. Use online courses to share your expertise and create cash flow. Want more cash flow business ideas to escape the 9-to-5? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Never miss a step with Nova Society Finance. Business 4, freelance digital marketing. Offer social media or SEO services using Canva and SEMrush, costing $5,000 for tools, training, and marketing. Charge $1,000 a month per client, generating $2,000 a month with 2 clients in year 1. Barbara Corcoran says marketing skills pay forever. Use your expertise to build cash flow and escape the 9-to-5. Business 5, rental business with e-bikes. Buy 5 e-bikes and rent them out via Turo, costing $10,000 for bikes and marketing. Rent each at $50 a day, 15 days a month, generating $3,750 a month in year 1. Kevin O'Leary says rentals create steady cash flow. Use e-bikes to build income and escape the 9-to-5. Which cash flow business will you start first? Drop it in the comments below, and while you're at it, check out our Cash Flow Mogul hoodie at novasocietyfinance.shop. Wear it to inspire your entrepreneurial journey.
The combination of long-time perspective and delayed gratification puts you onto the high road to financial independence. Now, here are 2 things you can do to develop the attitudes of financially successful people. First, think long-term about your financial life. Decide exactly how much you want to be worth in 5 years, 10 years, and 20 years from today. Write it down. Make a plan. Take action on your plan every single day.
Now let's scale the dropshipping business to $60,000 by 2027. Invest $8,000 to start on Shopify with Oberlo, covering setup and marketing. Launch by May 2026, selling 100 products a month at $30 profit each, generating $3,000 a month. Year 1, scale to 150 sales a month. That's $4,500 a month. $54,000 a year. By May 2027, hit 167 sales a month, $5,000 a month, $60,000 a year, replacing your 9-to-5 income. Alex Hormozzi says, scale fast with systems, optimize ads, and select winning products to dominate your market. Your action plan to escape the 9-to-5 with a cash flow business. Wealth Foundation. Save $10,000 in 12 months with a 70-20-10 budget to launch your business. Step 1. Choose one cash flow business, like dropshipping, to start your journey. Step 2. Invest your $8,000 wisely. Focus on low-cost, high-return models. Step 3. Scale to $4,500 a month in year 1. Optimize marketing and operations. Step 4. Hit $60,000 by 2027. Replace your 9-to-5 income and live on your terms. Act now. Your financial freedom awaits. As an entrepreneur building my own digital ventures, I'm here to guide you in escaping the 9-to-5 one step at a time. Cody Sanchez's cash flow wisdom, Grant Cardone's disciplined mindset, and Robert Kiyosaki's business lessons from his journey to millions light the way. Let's stay driven by taking action daily, building habits that lead to lasting financial freedom. Start today, launch your cash flow business, and create your empire with Nova Society Finance. Will you take the leap? Drop it in the comments.
You want a goal that you can never attain, so you can always move closer to the goal that recedes as you move towards it. You think, well, that's frustrating. It's like Sisyphus pushing the rock uphill. But it's not, because as you pursue that goal, you put yourself together and your life does get better and richer and more abundant.
Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and like this video. It helps push this content to more people who need to see it. Please subscribe to Nova Society Finance. Always remember to master your money. Don't let your money master you. Want to learn more about personal finance and wealth building strategies? Please click on one of the following videos.